Okay, so with this problem, we found that our volume, so we might have changed from the last, this video is a couple weeks later. so we might have changed the pool. So now all of a sudden we're working on a different size pool for this problem. So let's explain this problem real quick. On this pool, I got a base of 10. So that means I have a half base of 5 on the triangle, right? So that tells me that I've got 60 on each of these side walls for the side area. That means I got 420 because it's 60 times 4. So the side area is 420. My base area is based on the base, the half base times the height. We found the height by doing the tangent of the 64.28571429, right? Times 5, that equals 10.38260698, which is my height. That's the actual height. Now, the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. Well, my 1/2 base is 5. And my height is that 10.38, right? So when I multiply that, I get my base area, which is 363.3912445. Okay? From the base area, I can figure out my volume. Now we're only filling the pool up to 5 feet, right? So we're only filling it up this much. So that means I take my base area, which is that 363, and I multiply it by 5, which is the height that I'm filling it up. Does that make sense? And when I do that, I come up with my volume, which is 1,800. Now think about this, feet cubed, right? Because this is cubic space now. We're talking about volume. Okay? So that's 1816.95622 cubic feet. Okay? Now, when I looked at this, I said, well, does this overflow it or not? Now, in my other case, it overflowed it, right? But in this case, it underflowed it. Does that make sense? Okay? So, what I want to do on this next problem is I want to build a court that is the size that will fit this. And it's actually pretty easy if I think about it. If I take half of this, right? I take half of this, because half times 100 times the width should equal this. So 1/2 times 100 times x should equal 1816.956222. And that's the easiest way to do that. It just is a nice way. And that way, what's half of 100? 50, right? So then how do I get x alone? So this is just 50x. So now I can just divide this by 50, right? And it's already in my calculator. So I go divide by 50. And I get 36.33. So that means if I build a court that's a little smaller, right? Does that make sense? It still has the half foot. Okay? And it's still 100 feet long. But it's just a little, it's not as, oh, that doesn't make sense. It says it's wider. Shouldn't be wider. What? I'm saying 36.33 912445. So 1/2 times 100. Oh, my bad. Because this needs to be here. Oh, my X should be here. My 3 sides, right? So if I do 1/2 of 100, that would be 50 times this times 50. It'll equal this, which is exactly how much I want it to be. Oh, duh. This is bigger than this. Okay, I'm a little slow today. Still having back issues. Ooh, look at me. My chair. Okay. Sorry. Alright. So, it's at 1800 is a little bit bigger than 1200. So we actually made a bigger pool. Does that make sense? But we had to make sure we're like, what the heck is going on? But yeah, so 1/2 the 100 times some number should give me my number. And that's just the easiest way to find that pool, that new pool that I'm asking you to find. The easy pool, okay? So that's a problem. This is number 9. So let's we'll stop this film and we'll go on to film 10, okay? And we'll do the hard one. All right, there you go.